Hello and welcome again. Today we will be watching the linear layout with horizontal orientation, and if you want the animation in your app, just watch the video in the I button. Let's create linear layout with the width of 362 dp and height of 108 dp. Let's take the background. I am taking the custom background created. Also we are taking some dividers. So dividers can be created by going in the drawable section and creating a XML file and writing a shape code. After adding the dividers, we will be elevating the section by 30 dp. Also, we are taking the horizontal orientation. You can also take the vertical orientation, padding by 30 dp, and we are showing the dividers in the middle so that we could segregate all the buttons. Constraint layout is used, so all the constraints should be proper. For constraint layout, we can find the video in the I button. Let's create a button. Button will be of 50 dp and 50 dp of height. And end margin of 12 dp according to our linear layout. I am using background image to make the button attractive, elevating the section by 60 dp. And padding by 30 dp. Now rather than coding again and again for the button, we will copy the button and paste it and just change the background image. Also we will be changing the start margin and the end margin according to our linear layout. We can also use the margin left and margin right section for adjusting the layout of the button. Now we are adding the third button. I am taking 4 buttons in this video. Here also we will use the left margin and right margin with 15 dp. We have equal spacing on the left and the right side. That's it. You can run the code. As you can see, we are having our linear layout with the 4 buttons having dividers between them with the equal spacing from the right and left side. Thank you for watching. If any queries, put it in the comment section. I will surely revert them. Thank you.